Here is my clear glaze. You might notice that it has a light green color to it right now. Can you guess why that is? Once it dries, it will be almost white, and you won't be able to see your underglaze anymore. After the glaze firing, the parts with no glaze look the same as they did before, but the glazed parts are shiny like glass. To paint on the glaze, we use a brush that only gets used for glaze. Why do you think that is? Only one coat is needed if you paint it thick enough. Otherwise, you may need to do 2 coats, and any spots you miss won't end up shiny. In our art studio, we only use glazes that are non-toxic, so there's no worry if you get some on your skin. Just wipe it off. But if there is glaze left on the bottom of my bowl, when the kiln heats up and melts the glaze, it will stick to the shelf, and I will only be able to get it off if I break it. Nobody wants that. So if you make a mistake, just wipe it off. For this project, I am going to glaze the bottom of my lid, but I will use something called a stilt when it is time to fire it. I just place my lid on top of the stilt. The glaze will stick to the metal points of the stilt and not to the kiln shelf. And it is easy to pull it off once it is done firing.